Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn Excel basics for office work. This video is perfect for beginners and freshers. By the end of this video, you will feel confident using Excel at work. So let's get started. So first of all, what is Excel? So Microsoft Excel is a spreadsheet application. It is used to store data. It also helps in calculations and reports. In offices, Excel is used for attendance, salary sheets, and data management. So here if you notice that we have an Excel workbook, and at the bottom of the Excel workbook you can see that we have sheet. So if you want to add another sheet, you can just click on plus icon and sheet will be added. Like that, if you continue clicking on it, multiple sheet will be created in one single Excel workbook. Now these vertical lines are called columns, and you can see they are labeled as A, B, C, right? And these horizontal lines are called as rows, and you have numbers here, right? And each box is called as a cell, and the address of each box, you will see that it is A2, this is B1, right? B1, you can see the cell address here. Most office work is done using the home tab. So this is your home tab, and inside that you have multiple options like clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, editing, sensitivity, add-ins, and this is additional plugin which I have added in my Excel. In the Excel sheet, if you want to enter data, what you just need to do is you need to highlight the cell and just start typing, right? So like this you can add the data. And if you want to navigate through the cells, you just need to use arrow keys on your keyboard, and you will see that cells will be highlighted accordingly. In these cells, you can enter text, numbers, and dates. And let's say if you want to edit the data in a cell, you just need to either double click on it and then you will be able to edit the data. Otherwise, you can also press F2 and you will be in the edit mode. To format the content, what you can just do is you can select it, and from here, let's say if you want to increase the font size, you can do that. If you want to change the color of the cell, then you can select it. If you want to change the color of the font, you can choose one of the color from here. This is for alignment of the text in the cell. This is to set the orientation. You can choose how your text will be showing up in the cell. And this is your word wrap. Let's say if your content in your cell is too long, then it will be adjusted accordingly, right? You can use bold for headings. From here you can make the text as italic, and you can also underline the text, right? From here you can also add borders in the table. You can just go to this place and select all borders, so you will see a border around the table. I will just delete this data. To delete the data, you can right click and just select delete. It will ask you whether you want to shift the cells to the left or up, or you want to delete the entire row or entire column. So I'll choose entire column, click on OK. In Excel, formulas always start with an equal sign. The moment you will press equals, now you can type the name of the formula. So let's say if you want to add two text, so I will enter one data here, 1, 2, and then I will use right arrow key to go to the right side and I'll enter number. Now to do the sum of these two numbers, I will just press equals to, and then I will start typing as sum. From this drop down, I can choose the formula which I want to apply in this case, and then I will press shift and the opening bracket, and then from here I will choose the cell which is A1, put a comma, and then I will choose another cell, and then I will close the bracket, and then I will hit enter. Now here we can see the sum is 46. Similarly, if you want to get the smallest number from this, you can just press equals and then min, then put a opening bracket and select the range by pressing shift and right key, and then press shift and closing bracket. Now just hit enter. You can see the output is 12 because 12 is the smallest from these numbers, right? Now if you want to find the biggest number, in that case you can just press F2 to go to the edit mode and change the name of the formula to max and hit enter. Now you see the output is 46. In Excel, if you want to copy paste the data, you can just use Control and C and then highlight the cell where you want to paste the data, and then press Control plus V. So data will be pasted. So let's say here I have applied a formula. If you want to copy this formula to the rest of the cells, you can just drag it and it will be copied. Now if you highlight the cell, you will see the same formula is here also. Here you can also sort the data. You can just select it and then go to sort and filter, and here you can choose, let's say, sort largest to smallest, and you will see the data is sorted properly. And let's say if you want to apply a filter, you can just highlight the cell and then go to sort and filter. From here you can click on filter, and here you can see there is a little icon to click on it. And let's say from this, if you want to just choose 34, you can select it and then click on OK. Your data is filtered here, right? If you want to clear the filter, you can just click on clear filter from. And if you want to remove the filter from the column, you can just go to sort and filter and select it again. The filter will be removed from the column. Now let's say after working on this Excel workbook, if you want to save your Excel workbook, you can just press Ctrl S, and then it will ask you to provide the location where you want to save this file, and then your file will be saved in the given location. In the Excel, if you want to resize the columns, you can just hover over on this line and just drag it to your left and right, and accordingly you can adjust the width of the column. Similarly, if you want to adjust the height of the rows, you can select this, drag it to up or down. The length or height of this rows will be increased. If you want to apply any other formatting, you can go to conditional formatting. From here you can choose the format which you want to apply in your Excel sheet. So these are the basic Excel skills needed for office work. You need to practice regularly to become confident. If you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, please post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.